Where are you? Are you? Ah. This is a very important thing in my life. Why, you ask me? Because this is my first workbook when I started to learn English language. Look. Huh? I started to learn English about 4 years ago, but more intensively, more effectively. I started to learn English about 1 year ago, and in this video I will show you my first workbook and where I only started to write down different phrases, sentences, English rules, and so on. Are you ready? Let's get started. Oh my god, it's my daughter did it. Sorry. So I suggest you to begin with the first list. You see that I started to learn English from tense, future tense, past tense, and present tense. Yes, you know that I record video about that I didn't start to learn English from English alphabet. I started to learn English from tense, past tense, present tense, and future tense. And you see how I tried to learn English tenses. Yes, for example, future tense question: will I laugh? Will you laugh? Will we laugh? And so on. Yes, for example, past tense and refusal: I didn't, you didn't, we didn't laugh, they didn't laugh, and so on. Different words like ask, answer, give, take, help, hope, speak, travel, but, think, come, see, with, go. Different pronouns like I, you, he, she, we, they, and translating into Russian: I, me, мне, моё, you, тебе, вам, we, us, нам. One different questions: what, что, какой, who, кто, where, где, куда, when, когда, why, почему, зачем, and so on. Go next. What I wrote down here. Also very important English rules in English language, like verb to be, and I try to learn this verb in different tense: past and present tense, future tense. The same situation: will I be, will she be, if we talk about future tense, and question: I was, he was, she was, you were, we were, they were, was I, was he, was she, and so on. And go next. What I wrote down also: different phrases like to speak, I want to speak, I like to dance, and translating it into Russian, like, for example, I like to dance, мне нравится танцевать, мне нравится танцевать. Different words like fiction, художественная литература, non-fiction, публицистика. Yes, different common phrases like hi, привет, good morning, доброе утро, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Yes, different dear, thank you, please, welcome, nice, I apologize, I regret, goodbye, see you. And numbers: I try to learn numbers in English: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, broke down. And different phrases like a good person, busy, a busy person, a man, a woman, I'm a person, I'm busy, sorry, I'm busy, an apple, an elephant. Oh my god, it's very a good memory from my education. Older than, like чем, yes. He's older than you. Он старше, чем ты. Oldest, самый старый, старейший. Beautiful, more beautiful. Переводится как более красивый. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, now. Different combination with word in. In 3 days ago, in 2 weeks ago, in 4 months ago. Also different if you talk about time. At 5 on Monday, in May, in winter. Days of the week. Понедельник, Monday. Вторник, Tuesday. Среда, Wednesday. To the right, направо. To the left, налево. And how I try to translate this English word into Russian. And of course I wrote down how this English word sounds in Russian. To the right, to the left, on the right, on the left, in front, behind, above, below. Everybody, все, каждый, всех. Somebody, кто-то, кто-нибудь, кое-кто. Nobody, никто. Everything, все. Something, что-нибудь, что-то. Nothing, ничего. Everything, somewhere, nowhere. Yes. Урок номер 7. Lesson number 7. Buy, покупать. Sell, продавать. Different English verbs. Pay, платить. Make, делать. Choose, выбирать. Try, пытаться, стараться. Yes. And different English sentences. I will try to help you. Where did you buy this shirt? Shirt, translated into Russian like рубашка, рубашка. I didn't play in this film. Okay, what I did else. Go away, прочь, в сторону. Go in, заходить. Go out, выходить. Look up, look down. Look back, look away, look in, look out. Woman, women, men, people. Different English phrases, sentences, rules. Very big information about English, how I try to learn English. Example, I want you to go. Я хочу, чтобы ты пошел. Let him go. Let's go. Tense. Should I do? Should I do it? And different English sentences. There are lots of information, lots of different sentences. For example, I try to learn English verb like want, and I wrote down different sentences with this verb. I want a new computer. I want a good car. I want a new apartment. I really want it. I want to make it. And different sentences with this English verb. Again, and again. Okay, I hope you also have this kind of workbook like me, because it's very important if you will write your education in your workbook. For example, you try to learn Russian rules with different sentences, phrases, words, and so on. Write down your sentences, phrases, because I don't know, in the future you will find out your workbooks, and it will be very good memories from your education when you only started to learn Russian language. I will keep up, I will save my workbook long time. If you also have this kind of workbook, please write in comment about your workbook. Do you do the same like me? I mean, write down different phrases, sentences in Russian language if you learn Russian language, yes? Please write in the comment your answer to this question. If you like this video, if I deserve, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.